Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about a real experience using TinyBird, a platform that claims to turn data into real-time APIs insanely fast and promises to cut complex data engineering workloads into simple, scalable endpoints. After actually working with it on real-time analytics, dashboard, and event processing, we do have a lot to say. So, setup-wise, TinyBird is incredibly smooth. We just connected our data sources, wrote SQL-based pipe, and instantly deployed APIs without worrying about servers or infrastructure. The speed is impressive. Queries that normally take seconds in traditional warehouses respond in milliseconds here. But this only works smoothly if our data is properly structured and optimized before ingestion because many schema or large datasets cause slowdowns and ingestion errors. Pricing can get complicated too. There is a generous free tier, but once we scale up requests or data storage, the price ramps up fast and isn't entirely transparent unless we monitor usage constantly. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros: ultra-fast SQL to API workflow, real-time data processing, collaborative interface for teams, no DevOps hassle, and excellent documentation. Cons: pricing can spike quickly at scale, not ideal for unstructured or extremely heavy workloads, limited support for Python-based transformations, and customer support responses are sometimes delayed during high traffic issues. So, is TinyBird worth using? If we're building real-time leaderboards, dashboards, alerts, or streaming analytics and want to move quickly without building full infrastructure, TinyBird absolutely delivers and saves us tons of time. But if we need deep custom logic, batch-heavy warehouses, or want total control over compute resources, platforms like Databricks or ClickHouse directly might be better. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.